What's up guys, all good? My name is Henry, and in today's video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the China wealth script before you decide to buy it. And guys, I also have some very important warnings, so make sure you watch this video until the end, because this could literally save you from wasting your money. Now, the first thing you need to know is this: be very careful where you buy China wealth script from. Right now, this product is only sold on the official website. There are fake pages out there, and if you're not careful, you could end up losing your money or getting a fake version. To help you out, I've left the official website link in the description and also in the first comment. So, what exactly is China wealth script? China wealth script is a digital program focused on wealth mindset and subconscious reprogramming. It's not a business model, it's not crypto, and it's not some get-rich-quick system. Instead, it's based on the idea that your financial situation is strongly influenced by your internal beliefs about money. According to the creators, this program uses audio sessions inspired by ancient Chinese principles to help shift your mindset toward abundance. Now, this is important: this program does not teach you how to make money directly. There are no step-by-step methods, no strategies, and no income systems included. What it tries to do is help you remove limiting beliefs, improve your confidence, and become more aware of financial opportunities. Inside, you'll get audio tracks, a simple routine, and some bonus materials focused on mindset and productivity. The idea is simple: you listen daily, stay consistent, and allow the process to gradually influence how you think and act. Some users report feeling more confident, less stressed about money, and more motivated after using it. But let's be real for a second. This is not magic. There's no guarantee you'll make money using this program. In fact, even the official disclaimer clearly states that results are not guaranteed and depend entirely on you. So if you're expecting instant wealth just by listening to audio, this is not for you. However, if you're someone who feels stuck, struggles with money mindset, or wants to improve your confidence and decision-making, then this program might actually help as a support tool. From what I've seen, the biggest benefit is the mental shift. And sometimes, that shift can lead to better actions, which can eventually lead to better financial results, but only if you actually take action. So, final verdict: China wealth script is not a scam, but it's also not a miracle solution. It's a mindset-based program that can help the right person, but only if you use it consistently and combine it with real-world effort. If you go in with realistic expectations, you might find value. If you expect easy money, you'll be disappointed. Alright guys, that's my honest review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.